Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video in the amazing world of Roblox. I hope y'all, so today we are back playing FE2 community maps. So, just like what I said last video, for this video I'm gonna try to beat Desolate Space. So only fun fact here is that before I made this video, I beat Desolate Space. I tried it again, but then I failed, so I can't really show you guys proof that I did it. I managed to get 6 out of 8 buttons. But anyway, without further ado, let's begin. Straight away activating tryhard and silence mode. My shortcut, I just did. Oh my, this is just rip. 1 like equals 1 happy astronaut. Get a hold of yourself. The main thing I would change is the 2 main things I would change if I was Delta Anime is 1, the small truss that's like the point is on, and 2, that crevice right in front of the door. Silence and tryhard mode activated. Oh, Dark Side Force. Oh yeah, that's true. That's one of the sections of this map. My W key is so broken. What? Oh, that just zooms in right away. Wow. This will just turn to abuse. I'm just getting abused by this map. I don't actually mean it. I just like, oh god. You saw that crevice I just walked above right now? That's what I mean by the crevice on top of the, not crevice, I mean crouch. Try hard. Silence. You guys already know. When I say DT, it means that. Well, you guys never know that. Now I'm sure I made it through. Oh my god, why? How am I able to possibly get any faster? Oh my god. This upcoming attempt, 1, I'm going on extreme, quiet, and tryhard mode. Plus for the water climbing place, whatever, you'll see what my trick is. It's not my trick, I own it. But I forgot. And this is where I'm supposed to go. Anyway, try it in silence. I mean DT. It's near the end. Can't get a hold. I have to get a hold of myself. Why do I always miss the air bubble? This just turns into an absolute illusion. Well, I'm about to die! Like the... Ow. Time for the extreme version of DT. Also, EDT now. EDT means extreme, try hard and sounds, whatever. Why do I just get stuck? Oh my god, I'm bleeding. Who cares? Yummy. Ow, that hurt. I never thought using a tissue to wipe my blood is not painful. Also, one good thing I like about this map is not only the music, but it's because the timing helps you. The music is kind of like your timing system. So I can already tell I'm kind of slightly, teeny tiny bit late, not light. Okay. EDT activated. Also credits to Richardo's 275, I think it was, for that shortcut in the water section where you go on the edge instead of on top of that thing. Credits to him for that. EDT. EDT. What was that? It just latches me onto it for no reason. It latches me onto it, and I press my space bar and it doesn't make me. Honestly, what's the problem? The water's still gonna rise at the same time. EEDT/extreme, whatever it was. Something, try hard. As you can see by the timing of the music, I saved pretty much a lot of time. My heart is beating like heck now. This might be my first ever time being crazy on camera. Why? Why? So you're nearly ill. It's awful. Tastes of blood, tastes of metal. You probably get the point with the E and DT. That was a good time to save. Kind of the worst time to save. No, this isn't even the map for the fact that this is my PC that's lagging. 2,000 years later. See, don't you guys see my problem? I'm lagging. But you probably saw that. If you didn't, I don't know what to say if you didn't see that lag. I'm never gonna ever try that shortcut ever again. That was mean. Nice to know how to save time on my wargame. DT mode. Also, give me my final attempt. By the time of the music, you can tell I've saved quite a lot of time. It's like last attempt. It was like 2 attempts ago. Anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out any new future content. Once again, I hope you all enjoy the content, and see you all next time.